Lesson 35. Reading practice number 6. Dear Dr. Ward, about 2 weeks ago, I was introduced to one of the best prospects I have seen for a long time to fill the important job of corresponding secretary for Billings International Enterprises, period. She is a woman named Miss Mary O'Brien, who, in my opinion, has the experience necessary for this responsible job, period. I talked with her for more than an hour, and I am happy to report that I found her to be an interesting, entertaining, and delightful person with a unique grasp of world affairs, period. I want you to know that I think she will be a valuable addition to the staff of Billings International Enterprises, paragraph. If you have no objection, Dr. Ward, I will suggest to Miss O'Brien that she call you soon, requesting an interview, period. Sincerely yours, Lesson 35, reading practice number 7. Dear Mrs. Jennings, if you receive a monthly check from Uncle Sam, you never again need worry that it will be lost, stolen, or delayed in the mail, period. You can easily arrange to protect your checks by filling out one of our regular forms, period. It will take you only 2 or 3 minutes to do this, period. We will send the form to the government, comma, which will then automatically deposit your checks directly in an intercity savings account. Paragraph. Open a savings account at one of the branches of the intercity savings bank, comma, Mrs. Jennings, comma, and take advantage of this extraordinary opportunity to enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing that your checks are safe. Period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 8. Dear Mr. Cummings, colon, as an interior designer, comma, would you be interested in attracting profitable clients? Question mark. You can do this if you enter your name and provide a brief description of your offerings in the interior designer's guide, comma, which we will publish with the Sunday, comma, August 12, comma, edition of our newspaper, comma, the Westport Times. Paragraph. Prices for listings range from $60 to $180, period. If the idea of advertising in this special edition appeals to you, comma, Mr. Cummings, comma, call Miss Mary Sweet at 555-1876 any morning except Sunday between 9 and noon, period. She will be glad to give you complete information, period. She will, comma, in addition, comma, actually work with you in preparing advertising copy if you wish. Period. Sincerely yours, comma. Reading practice number 9. Dear Mr. Underwood, colon, at one of the regular meetings of the Public Roads Commission in September, comma, I wish you would introduce the subject of revamping State Street, which is in very unsatisfactory condition. Paragraph. As you probably know, there are 2 or 3 major intersections on State Street, and the main entrance to Billings Elementary School is near one of them, period. Everyone probably recognizes the importance of doing something about State Street, but apparently none of the members of the commission are willing to take the initiative to do anything until we have had a bad accident on that street, period. Until now, the president of the commission has been unwilling even to entertain a motion that the street be repaved. Paragraph. I hope, Mr. Underwood, that you will speak in favor of an appropriation for repaving the street and recommend awarding the job to the General Construction Company. Paragraph. Thank you for whatever help you can give us in solving this difficult and particularly annoying matter. Period. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 10. Dear Mr. Jennings, would you like to attend informative, interesting, and entertaining demonstration of the unique art of character decorating, Mr. Edwin Lopez, one of the finest pastry chefs in the world, will demonstrate his decorating proficiency at a meeting that the Entervoro Department Store will hold on Friday, October 15, between 5 and 6 o'clock on the 3rd floor, period. After the demonstration, there will be a short question and answer session. Paragraph. If you are interested, attending, Mr. Jennings, you should return promptly the coupon attached to the enclosed circular, period. We have provided an envelope for that purpose, period. We will send you an entrance card as soon as we receive the coupon, paragraph. While you are here, you will have a good opportunity to see our international collection of cake decorating devices, all of which you will be able to order at especially reduced prices, period. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 11. Dear Mrs. Hastings, if you were to advertise in our publication, Modern Business Correspondence, you could reach 500,000 well-informed, enterprising, and successful business executives with message, period. These people have the income to purchase large quantities of modern home furniture, paintings, and other articles, period. They can afford the best, period. Many of them have incomes well over $50,000 a year, paragraph. A schedule of our rates is enclosed, period. If you are interested in receiving further information, Mrs. Hastings, just let us know, period. Sincerely yours,